Did you know only 11 to 15% of people take their inhaler the correct way? That means you're not getting all the medication into your lungs. Watch this short 40-second video, learn how to take your inhaler the correct way, start breathing better. Remember to shake the medication at least for 30 seconds prior to using. Take 3 deep breaths, check the inside of the opening, make sure there's nothing inside of it. Blow all the air out of your lungs, and at the same time, take a big breath in and then administer the medication. Hold for about 10 seconds and then slowly let the air out of your lungs. Continue to shake the medication and wait 2 minutes for the first dose to enter your upper airway. The second dose will go a little bit deeper.